Hey y'all, it's me Marita. Happy New Year. It is 2019. We made it, y'all. Okay, so thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Okay, this first braid is what I call the inverted braid, or some people call it an inside braid. You start out with 3 pieces, but you always go inward. Every time you braid, you're always braiding. Instead of braiding out, you're braiding in. So I don't know if you can understand that by me saying it, but I'll try to show you better than I can tell. By the way, I'm styling my hair on slightly semi-straightened hair. So usually that's the best way that I can really get a good braid, is by like either stretched or slightly straightened hair. Just like any other braid, you're just continually adding hair to the pieces that you originally started with. So you're just constantly adding more hair to it to be able to go down the head. So you just, every time you come up, to start a new section, you're just adding more hair to the braid. Eventually there will be no more hair to add in, and then you can start just making the single braid. When I finish braiding, I usually loosen it up just to give it a more, I like the fuller, looser look. Anytime I'm braiding, I never want it super neat. I like the flyaway, loose look. So depending on how you like it, you just do it how you like, but that's kind of the look I'm going for. As we all know, the braid can be kind of plain as far as, from the front. So you can, add your edges, put a headband on, some accessories, whatever you would like to make it a little more spicy looking, or just wear it plain. Depends on how you like it. Second look is just a regular French braid. Some people actually don't know how to do a French braid, so I'll show you. You start out with still 3 pieces, and instead of going inward, you're going out. So I'll try to do a close-up on how to start it in the front. And then you're just constantly adding hair to the 3 sections that you start with, and that's how you continue to go down. I didn't realize I wasn't fully in the camera, so I apologize for this part, but eventually you can kind of see as I come down how the braid is being formed. enjoyed this video of the 2 braids, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.